Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out two VR accessories for your Meta Quest 2 headset. This is the RGB charging dock and SPC Battery Head Strap made by Kiwi Design. The combo retails for $129.98 American on their website. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off your purchase. In this one I'm going to unbox them separately, and then I will talk about how they work together and give you my review of them here in the end as well. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I encourage you to do so. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's unbox this. Sorry, as soon as I got this, my daughter scribbled on it with some pen, but it doesn't wreck what's inside. So classic with the Kiwi box. On the inside here we have the instructions. That's just built right into the box, which is kind of nice. In here we're going to have our user manual, and then we're going to have our cord clip that's going to go on the side. We've got our back pad. Always comes with a nice little microfiber lens cleaner, and then we have the head strap part itself. Alright, so installation, we're going to put this together first. You're going to take this, it has a nice L and an R on there, and matching R and L on here. What you want to make sure is the top is where your USB-C port is, and the top on this piece here is where your top head strap is. So these pieces are just going to clip in. There, you could hear that clip in. You can loosen this a little bit if you want. On the insides of our pieces here we also have R's and L's to help you figure that out. Now our little cord holder here, you can see it's Velcro there. Nice and strong Velcro. So that's going to go on the arm on the side here. Wrap that Velcro around. And then this is there so you can have a place to actually hold the cord on the side, so it's not just dangling. You could wrap it around when you're not using it and put it back in there, and that'll keep it from dangling there as well. Alright, so to take the regular head strap off, you're just going to want to pinch either on either end. I usually just pinch close to where it attaches here, and that should clip off for you. We can do the same on this side as well. This side's been a little bit more stubborn on me here. There we go, that clipped off. Then you're going to want to take off your facial interface. Sorry, let's flip this around. You're going to want to take off your facial interface so you can get this top head strap out. And so you're just going to pinch around the edges, and that should pop out for you. And then you can more easily undo this piece here. And there we go. We are free and good to go. Okay, now that we have this released there, we're going to bring this one forward. And you can... Sorry, I'm just turning it off here. Alright. We're going to take this piece. This is going to slide right underneath. Oh, I accidentally turned it right back on. I'm just going to put it there for now because I don't know exactly where I'm going to want it when I'm playing. And then these side pieces, I usually start at the back here and just put pressure forward. Again, have pressure on the back, fit it at the back, work my way to the front. Oh, that didn't quite get in there. There we go. And then we can put our facial interface back on here as well. Cord now can, as you can see, plug in to the side. And it's got 3 dots of charge already. And then when you charge it, it can go up to 4. Okay, here we have the charging dock for the Meta Quest 2. And again, as you can see there, it is made for Meta. So let's get this out of here. Okay, so it's all out of the box. So if you didn't see In this small box here, it actually says what was in it. So there's a battery cover ×2, USB-A wall charger, USB-A to USB-C cable, magnetic USB-C headset connector, and 2 rechargeable AA batteries. So you can see that all here. I'll unravel some of that stuff there. It had this nice pull tab to get it out of the box. First impressions, this is actually, I guess, smaller and sleeker than I thought it would be, which is kind of nice. And I thought it was going to be kind of that shiny white like the Quest 2 is, but it's actually got a little bit of gray to it here, which is nice. And yeah, so we got the 2 charging ports for our controllers there. We have our charging port for our headset. Got a USB-C port on the back. I'm assuming that's to give this whole thing power. We have a power button on the front, and then this will be to control our lights, and you can see the light bar underneath there as well. Charging dock for MetaQuest 2. Okay, so inside of this box here, we're going to bring out a couple of things. So here we have our new battery covers for your controllers, and as you can see, those are going to be what connects to the charging ports right there. So we'll set those up here. And then inside of this little bag here, this is going to be our connector that goes into the USB-C port in your headset. That'll connect right there magnetically to charge your headset. Now I'm going to show you a different way that you can charge here in just a minute as well. Then we got our cord here, USB-C to regular USB, USB-A, our rechargeable batteries, which can go in there, and our power adapter that you're going to use here as well. So it's all in there very nicely. So in terms of assembly, there's not much to assemble with this. What we do need to assemble here is our controllers. So I do have the Kiwi controller grips on here, so I'm going to have to pop these down. Now it has little controller signs in there. Here's my left controller. Now you can see a little light lit up there. It's orange, so that means that it's charging. We'll do the same with this one. There we go. Orange as well, so that is charging. Alright, I'm going to turn it sideways so I can get a better view. Oh. Okay, and now I don't know, well, you might just barely not be able to see. They've all lit up orange now, those 3 lights at the front here, and so it's showing that they are all charging. Now, you probably can't see it as well. Maybe if I turn off this light. You can see it on my hand there. We got purple light showing through there. That turns it off. That was the power button there. There we go. Turn it back on. Charging is resumed. It's got 17 different light configurations there. Now I'm not going to go through all of them with you, but they're all in that user manual if you'd like. Alright, so our charge time for one of these is 1 hour for 40% charge, 2.5 for a full charge. I guess I should note here, you can see that this light is blinking here. That's showing that this is charging as well as your headset. So this is really your all-in-one charging station, controllers, headset, head strap as well, which is super nice. Okay, so I showed you unboxing both of these. I just wanted to show you how they look together here. Nice on the desk. Beautiful setup here. The charging station works really well with these controllers and how they have the magnetic pieces there. They connect really easily. It shows if they're charging when they're charged. The SPC head strap there with your connector piece very easily connects there magnetically, and it is a little bit flexible there, which is nice as well. And I've got my lights blinking in the back, and I've got the headset charging in the front. So if you want something that is all-in-one like this for the Quest 2, this is a great option. You can get the combo of them for $130 American on the Kiwi website. You can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for that extra 5% off. Got to throw that in there. Separately, the SPC head strap is $80. The dock separately is $70. So it's $150. You can save $20 if you just get the combo for $130 there. This is going to keep everything charged. Anytime you're done, you can just set it on here, boom, it's charging, headset, head strap, controllers. Coming with those rechargeable batteries is also a nice touch there. They are 1700 mAh, which is higher than a lot of other ones. I've received some from a few other companies as well. Often they're just 1000 mAh. These are 1700, almost double the charge time. Sorry, the charge, and so you're going to get almost double the gameplay time with those batteries, but you're going to have them always charged when you're using this, so that's really nice. If you have any questions about how this is set up, you do need a little bit of space, I guess, about 8 inches past, because your SPC battery head strap goes out the back, so this isn't going to be at the back of a desk. You're going to need a little bit of space. Just to consider that while you're thinking about this, where this might be in your setup area there as well. Yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to answer those. Again, you can use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters. And if you have any other comments, please let me know. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.